In today's episode, I'm trying to get the kitchen back together after the weekend. So if you're interested in seeing me get this back together, and I'm going to try to do it in 15 minutes or less. But so if you're interested, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello, everyone. This is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. Now, I am trying a new device out, guys. Now, this device hooks up to your tripod, but it also moves when you move. So there is no more of me picking it up and moving it around when I'm in the kitchen. Now, I did focus it on my face so it follows me. Now I'm really enjoying this toy. It's going to make cleaning a lot easier in videos because when you move around when you're cleaning, you have to stop, reposition the camera. But this way, I don't have to reposition it because it is moving automatically by itself. So now let's get to work. Now, I left the camera at the normal speed, the video at the normal speed, so you can see how this device helps in the kitchen or help when you're moving around in the area. Now, I really had fun doing this. It made it so much easier and then having to stop, rearrange, and then move the camera, then start the camera. This way you just keep going and it follows your actions. Now, I'm going to leave it on a little longer so you can see it watch me move around the kitchen at a normal pace. And then, of course, I speed it up down toward the rest of the video. But I hope you'll enjoy it. Let me know what you think of this device and my video down below in the description. I love reading your comments. And also, too, to let you know, this device, I purchased it off of TikTok. But they do have one similar to it, identical to it, on Amazon and on Temu. So why don't you check them out and check out this device. I really enjoyed it. Now, it does have a couple of snares sometimes. It may stop when you leave out the room. All you do is stand back in front of it and wave your hand, and it'll catch you and keep going. If it doesn't catch you, there's a button on the top with a hand on it. You just push that and then the camera will go back to following you. But I really enjoyed this camera, and I enjoyed the device rather, and how it helped my phone and helped me to record. Now, I think the attachment can come off, I'm not sure, but It's mostly for, as it says on the box, for selfie sticks and tripods. So I'm really liking this, and it makes it so much easier with me because I do record with my phone, so it makes it so much easier. It moves around as I'm recording. I love it. So continue watching, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up. It helps you. It helps me. It doesn't hurt you. And I'll see you at the end of the video.
The pedestal. I don't know what I was thinking. Let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much I'm messing with my feelings in my heart. table ran, or they saving us it for the stable friend of mine. 'Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place.
Well, the kitchen is finished. I still have some things on the bar top I need to get out, but overall the kitchen is clean and ready for me to start a new day. And I'm really enjoying the camera. Now those empty containers are there because I need to put them on my list of things to buy for groceries. Whenever I empty seasons, I leave the empty jar up so I can put it in my list. Now this bowl and tray was a gift from my sister-in-law. I need to find out where I'm going to put it. But overall, the kitchen area is clean. Dishes are in the dishwasher. And I'm really satisfied with the way things turned out. Now let me know what you think about my new toy. I'm really enjoying it, and I will catch you in the next episode. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link below, and you be blessed.